What's going on, guys? It is Peyton Fisher, and we are going to be walking through this awesome A-frame cabin today and showing you the entire property. It is going to be on the market here very shortly. All right, from the top of the property, we've got 2 parking spaces up here. And as we look out over the valley, literally absolute beautiful views. It is so incredible up here. We've got a fence to stop the parking right here. And then as we come down this driveway, off to the right, the property line goes from right here all the way down into there, and I'll walk down over there and show you where that's at. And as you can see, the basement has window wells large enough that you're able to open those doors and come out if you need to. Nice front little area, covered up with the tin there. And then we're gonna go show you the 2-car garage over here. Oh, got it locked on a couple places. As this comes open, so this is a huge garage slash shop slash really whatever you want it to be. Oh, and the door's coming closed on me. So we got lots of room. We've got a door here. You can pull 2 vehicles in here. If you wanted to insulate this, you could put a heater in here. Just really nice, lots of extra storage, and it is actually on a concrete slab. And as we back out, we've got, I'd say, 3 parking spots down here. We've got 1 spot here, a spot here. No, you could put actually 4 or 5 cars down here. So lots of parking. And then when you come to this back side, the property line goes from the top of that, or to the back of that shed, all the way down the wash over there. And then all the way down here if you want to do some gardens, whatever you wanted to do there. And then there's another shed. We're going to go down and take a look at that. Here's the other side of the cabin. So we've got concrete walls for the basement, and then on the inside, it's all built out cabin style. Oh, let's go down and show you this shed so you can see all the extra storage space that you have. Now there is a whole bunch of wood in here because there's a wood burning stove on the inside. So it's ready to go for you, lots of wood, shelves. And your property line goes down this way a decent amount. So we're going to come back up here. Condenser, back patio, porch up top. And then you've got your hose. And then this is just a great place to sit, relax, listen to the animals. And your closest neighbor is beyond those trees, so you can kind of see them, but not totally. So lots of space down there. Now we're gonna walk back up around this way and go check out the inside. It is monitored by a Ring security system. And then when you come inside, we've got our kitchen immediately here. And then we've got an island. We've got lots of space over here for storage. And then right off this side, we've got more storage, coat hangers, whatever you want to put in there. And then as we come into living room, we've got wood cut beams all the way throughout A-frame, all the way up. Super cool. The wood stove is right here. Come down here. Now this is one of the best things, is this view is absolutely incredible. All the mountains. Got the deck out there. My client has never used the deck. The owners actually didn't use the deck. They had this couch blocking it. All right, and as we come around here, more storage, coat closet. And And then we have the main bathroom is on the main level here. Just a really rustic-y cabin feel. Super cool. Okay, and as we come downstairs, oh, these stairs look really cool too. All right, we're gonna come down. We've got another big area living room here. As you can see, free span. These beams are just open and they just look awesome. We've got the laundry room right here, furnace, a newer hot water heater, washer and dryer. And then as we come, we've got another bathroom down here. We've got sink, toilet, and tub and shower here. And it's just really fun to have this cabin feel all throughout the house. Now we're going to go into the 2 bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 1. Now this is lifted off the ground so that way they could have lots of storage space underneath. And then closet number 1. And then bedroom number 2. Big built-ins on the inside here. And every room has some beams exposed, which makes it really nice. All right, and this is the door to go outside for the downstairs. So you can be hanging out, come outside, and we'll go back in here. And I just want to really point out how intricate these stairs are. Super cool craftsmen. They just cut those right in half, epoxied them, and it's just super cool to have that. All right, we turn here. Hold on, we'll go upstairs and show you that. And the vaulted ceilings make this feel huge in here. So the first thing is we go to the right, we've got a big open area. This would be great for an office. There's me filming. And there is a light. There's a window on the back side of this to let a bunch of natural light in here. And again, you have beautiful views. And you've got more natural light coming in from this side. And this is looking down. And this is the master up here. More windows, lots of open space. Storage closet here. And there's another curtain rod to block all that, so if you don't want sun blasting on you in the morning, you can cover those up. If you have any questions, comments, or you'd like to make an offer on this home, please let me know. Drop a comment below. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.